Welcome to How Ines Rolls. I have my taste testers here, and we are going to be taste testing foods from Trader Joe's.
Fall foods.
Fall foods. Fall edition. Let's get started. All right. So if you watch the Trader Joe's haul, give the video a thumbs up and let me know down below because you will be expecting these yummy foods. So I can't wait to get started. The first thing we are going to do is these pumpkin pancakes because I just made them. So the recipe on the back is pretty easy. You're just going to have a little bit of melted butter, some milk, and an egg mixed in. So easy. But I'm thinking about topping ours with this cinnamon bun spread. Shall we smell? Oh, wow.
It smells like it would go good on cupcakes.
So good. All right, so poof, magic of TV. Oh, I'm just kidding. I just made it already. So this says a rich, gooey honey butter base spread with cinnamon bun spices. That just sounds so good to me.
And smells
So you guys go ahead and pick one.
This one.
And did you want to try this on there?
Sure. Half.
And this one.
Okay.
That smells good.
Yeah, so this one is a cinnamon, it's a pumpkin
Actually,
one.
no, I'll go whole on it.
You'll go whole? What do you think?
That's good.
Is that good? I'm just gonna put a little bit, I'm just gonna have a little taste. Because we have other foods to
It's
try,
good.
guys.
It tastes like a pumpkin.
A pumpkin?
Mmm.
Mmm. Wow.
These are really good.
Wow, that spread is really good. So that would be good even on like toasted bagels. The spread.
Imagine
Maybe some toast.
That's what I just said.
Yeah. Mmm.
Maybe on your pumpkin muffins.
Oh, now you're talking. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So, shall we go on to the next thing?
Yes.
Let's do it. Shall we wash down the pumpkin and pancake?
Yes.
Just happen to have a few cups here. And pumpkin pie ginger brew. Now, this is not alcoholic, although it looks like it could be, huh?
Well, I thought we were washing down the pumpkin with more pumpkin.
All right, so we're gonna try.
Oh.
Are you okay? Serious?
It hurt.
Did you get hit with something?
Yeah.
No.
I did.
I got hit by water.
Is it a lid?
Where did it
Or
go?
was this the lid? That was the lid.
Oh, that
Maybe you have to slow-mo that one.
Are you okay?
It hurt me with water. Because it came out so strong, it hurt.
Wait, I'm gonna smell it.
Okay, let's smell it.
Ew, this was a candle.
It's ginger brew.
Yeah, it smells like candle.
I don't know, you guys. We'll see.
It probably is alcohol.
No, it's not alcohol. It's made with apple cider, mulled apple cider, and then with lots of ginger puree in it. What do you guys think? You know what? I'm not a huge fan of ginger that much.
It's kind of good. I'll say it like this.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'll say like that too.
Yeah.
Because there's other flavors in here that kind of don't make the ginger so strong.
But that smells like candle.
I would imagine that all of these smell like candles in some way because it's just fall. Okay, I'll figure that out later. Okay, shall we do something next? Ooh, that's kind of got like a little spicy burn in that.
I love it.
Let's do, how about some salsa?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so since it's right here, I got this corn and chili salsa.
Here, I'll open the chips.
Go ahead and show the chips.
They're fall chips.
Fall chips.
I'm trying chips first.
Mmm,
Oh,
salsa.
They're just
smells
regular chips, though.
spicy. Okay,
Did you smell it?
I'm keeping my drink out.
Yeah, you might need it. So I got a spoon. So instead of dipping our chip into the salsa, that we can just put some salsa
It's
on
cool.
top of it. Oh, look at those, they're so cute.
Wait, I want to get a big
Don't-
chips.
I want to dip it in.
Canadian leaf.
Can you give one to your brother? Here, do you want this one?
Yeah.
Here, Mom.
Here, go ahead and take that one. I'll just put a little bit of salsa on yours.
Hey, mine's like a perfect one because it has like that.
Mmm. Oh, that is so good. It's not like super hot, which is good because I am not a hot salsa kind of person.
Spicy.
I don't like spicy stuff, not extra spicy. This has it's sweet. So a sweet combination of corn, red peppers, onion, and a touch of heat. So good.
I can't even taste a touch of heat.
I think it's a go. I love this one. Should we give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? What do you guys think? Thumbs up? I like this one. That was good. And these little fall chips are still tortilla chips.
Yeah, they're not like Doritos or anything.
Yeah, no, even though they're different colors, they're just little shapes of leaves, which would be super cute for a party.
Yeah, you know how like they have like the black chips? They don't taste different like those.
Yeah, so even if you have different flavor or different colors of tortilla chips, they pretty much taste the same.
I'm thinking of something else.
What?
I was like, wait, we should try this.
What should we try next?
This one.
Okay, so they want to try apple cider donuts.
I can't wait for this one.
Oh, can't wait.
should've got apple
There's a
cider
knife
with
over there on your side. Can you pass it, please?
They got apple cider with it.
I know. Well, I didn't see. I'm sure there was some apple cider there. Like they had lots of different kinds of apple or fall touches of juices and all kinds of foods that were fall.
That smells so good.
So we're just going to split one, FYI, guys.
Add this piece. And then that one will be my piece.
Go ahead, grab one. Oh, they're soft.
Mmm. That's so good.
I'm a fan.
I
Like
really,
an old fashioned.
I really love apple cider.
A little crumbly. Right?
Yeah. But
I'm gonna put it.
On the back.
my review is
I like it. I think they're very good. I'm trying not to overindulge. Okay, so we're ready to taste some more. Are you guys ready?
Can I pick this one?
Can we do some cookies? Let's do some cookies.
No, I'm
because
gonna
we
pick
just
this
did
one.
something sweet.
I'm
Then we
gonna
have
pick
two
this
sets of
one.
cookies.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay, you pick it. Okay.
Dang it.
Okay, so these are their Halloween Jojos, which are Trader Joe's version of Oreos.
Trader Joe's Oreos.
Trader Joe's Oreos.
Oh, is that what they call them? Jojos? Like Trader Joe's?
Okay.
Oreos.
It does taste like an Oreo, but like a healthy version of an Oreo.
Yeah. I really like it.
Really?
It's good.
I like them. They're all right. That's good. So it's a vanilla bean cream, still like in the middle.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Thumbs up, thumbs down? I like it. I say we do this one.
Yes, I wanted to do that one.
Okay. These I bought for Dad. They're called Maple Almonds. He usually does like a trail mix. So I thought if we open these up, I can put them in little baggies for Dad. Are you ready? You can have more than one.
Wait,
You want them
is
both?
this like a nut?
It's an almond. Smell it.
What?
That smells good, huh?
These are my favorite.
Love them. Those are good.
I want more.
Hey, they're so hard to get.
I made, I think I have a recipe for maple butter maple pecans, or I made them a few years ago. They were so good.
I still like the maple pecans.
And these are maple almonds, but you're right, pecans would be really good. I am a fan. Thumbs up from me. What about you, Jonas?
Actually,
2 thumbs up. Awesome. These are the last ones that we're going to do today.
man, these are. I'm gonna eat all.
Pumpkin spice cookies. Do you remember when I bought these last year?
Yeah, and I ate them all.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
I'm excited.
Excited.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. These are so good. They are still so good. It's like a ginger cookie, like a ginger snap.
A good one.
Covered in like a yogurty covering, like a, yeah, yogurt covering.
Not at all.
It says it's a shortbread cookie with pumpkin spice, but it really has like a ginger snap to it almost. I would give this 2 thumbs up.
I'm kind of feeling generous. And my toes are sticking out.
His toes are singing. It wasn't your favorite? All right, so let's go around and say what our absolute favorite thing that we've had so far.
Okay.
Maybe the chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa. That is
That-
really good.
that
You know
was-
what? Let's do one savory because I was going to say the same thing, and then let's do one sweet.
Okay, so mine was obviously the chips and salsa for savory.
Chips and salsa for savory.
And it's a tie between this or this. The apple cider donuts or the pumpkin spice cookies.
What about you, Ezzy?
It's hard. It's between this
The nuts,
and I forgot what
the
this.
pumpkin, or the pancakes?
Yeah, the pancakes.
The pancakes, yes.
Yeah, those pancakes were good.
You know what? I think we did good. I mean, I think everything I really liked except for the ginger brew. I think I probably will not be drinking much more of that. But it
This
was
is
great
good.
to try.
It was pretty good.
I'm glad you guys like it. I'm just like not, ginger's not my favorite. That's all I can say.
I like ginger ale, but that's like
Yeah,
different.
It's a pumpkin pie spice.
But this one's is so, like, it's a really strong. I mean, it
Yeah.
still has different spices in it, which is good. But you guys, everything that we tried with the fall collection is delicious. I nearly bought pumpkin empanadas, which I still may go back and do.
What are those?
They're like little meat pastries filled with meat that you bake. So it's like more like a lunch.
Ooh.
Yeah,
should've
it
got
looked really good.
You should have got
I
those.
should have got them, but I had a limit on how much I spent at Trader Joe's. So next time I'll go back and get some more. So what do you guys think? Was this super fun to do? Should we do this more often with some taste testing?
100%.
Yeah.
Mom, this
Maybe we should
and
go.
this taste the same.
Okay, so he's touching the ginger brew. Okay, so that is interesting. I did say these did taste like a ginger snap, and
Oh, good.
he's saying that the ginger brew with the spices in it, it tastes the same. I can agree with that, but I think drinking it versus eating it is different. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm weird.
I actually really like the drink.
Yeah, it was okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was really good.
Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you join us. We like to do grocery hauls and lots of recipes come your way. Let us know what you think about the things that we tried today. And let us know if you are a fan of Trader Joe's fall collection. Have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around.
You just never know what we'll be rolling on next.
Woo!
Bye.
Bye, everyone.